Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Gintama shirt is probably one of the most iconic and versatile pieces of apparel a fan could own, blending the beloved characters and humor of the anime into a wearable statement that sparks conversations and showcases your unique taste. Whether you're a longtime follower of Gintoki's antics or new to the Yorozuya gang, this shirt offers a fantastic way to express your fandom and stand out from the crowd with its distinctive designs and comfortable fit, making it an essential addition to any anime enthusiast's wardrobe. Number 5. Aelfric Eden Men's Graphic Oversized T-Shirt. Introducing the Aelfric Eden Men's Graphic Oversized T-Shirt. This tee combines comfort and style for your everyday wear. It's designed for a relaxed fit that you'll love. Make a statement with unique graphic designs. These eye-catching prints add personality to your wardrobe. Stand out from the crowd with effortless cool. Experience unparalleled comfort with its oversized fit. Crafted from soft, breathable fabric, it's perfect for all-day wear. You'll feel relaxed and at ease. This versatile piece can be dressed up or down. Pair it with jeans for a casual look or layer it for added style. It's a wardrobe essential. Aelfric Eden is known for its commitment to quality. This t-shirt is built to last, maintaining its shape and color wash after wash. Invest in lasting style. Designed for a modern, oversized silhouette, it offers a flattering fit for all body types. Enjoy the freedom of movement and a contemporary look. What we like. This option offers a relaxed, oversized fit perfect for casual wear. Its bold graphic print makes a statement. If you're looking for comfort and a trendy streetwear vibe, this is a great choice. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, making it comfortable to wear even in warm weather. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors that haven't faded after multiple washes. The fit is true to size and the stitching is well done, ensuring durability. Number 4. Gamer Gaming Sarcastic T-Shirt. This shirt says it all for the dedicated gamer. It's perfect for anyone who understands the importance of prioritizing playtime. Add a touch of humor to your wardrobe with this sarcastic graphic tee. It's designed for those who appreciate a good laugh. Looking for a funny t-shirt? This graphic tee is a great choice for men who love to express their personality through their clothing. Enjoy a casual style without compromising your gamer identity. This tee offers comfort and a statement piece all in one. Elevate your casual wear with this stylish graphic tee. It's a fantastic addition for any man's collection of comfortable and cool apparel. What we like. Featuring a humorous and sarcastic gamer design, this tee is a conversation starter. It's made from soft, comfortable material. If you're a gamer who loves to show off your sense of humor, this is the perfect shirt for you. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for everyday wear. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors that don't fade after washing. The fit is true to size and very comfortable. Number 3. How to Draw Anime, Step-by-Step Drawing Book. Ever wanted to bring your favorite anime characters to life? This book is your perfect guide to mastering anime and manga drawing. Follow along with our easy-to-understand, step-by-step instructions. You'll be creating amazing artwork in no time, regardless of your skill level. Designed for both kids and adults, this drawing book offers a fun and engaging way to learn. It's perfect for beginners and aspiring artists alike. Dive deep into the techniques and styles of anime and manga. Learn to draw expressive characters and dynamic scenes with confidence. Start your artistic adventure today. With this comprehensive guide, you'll develop your drawing skills and create art you'll be proud of. What we like. This is a comprehensive guide to drawing anime and manga. It provides step-by-step instructions suitable for all skill levels. If you're an aspiring artist or a fan looking to create your own characters, this book is an excellent resource. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, making it comfortable to wear even in warm weather. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors that haven't faded after multiple washes. The fit is true to size and the stitching is durable, ensuring it holds up well over time. Number 2. Kawaii Cat Japanese Black Anime T-shirt. Step into the world of Japanese animation with this unique t-shirt. It's designed for those who love the iconic anime aesthetic. Featuring a charming black cat illustration, this tee brings a touch of kawaii to your everyday style. It's a perfect blend of cute and cool. Crafted for comfort, this t-shirt feels as good as it looks. Wear it out or lounge at home, it's versatile for any occasion. The detailed print ensures the design stands out and lasts. You'll love the crispness and vibrancy of this eye-catching graphic. Looking for a gift for an anime lover? This t-shirt is a fantastic choice that's sure to be appreciated. It's a thoughtful present for any fan. Make a statement with this distinctive piece. It's more than just a t-shirt, it's a way to express your passion for anime culture. What we like. Showcasing an adorable kawaii cat in a Japanese anime style, this shirt is incredibly charming. The graphic is unique and eye-catching. If you love cute aesthetics and Japanese pop culture, this tee is a must-have addition to your wardrobe. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for everyday wear. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors that don't fade after washing. The fit is true to size and very comfortable. Number 1. Ripple Junction Unisex Adult Men's Apparel. Discover our collection designed for everyone. Experience comfort and style that fits your lifestyle. This apparel offers a versatile fit for any adult. It's perfect for everyday wear, blending comfort with a modern look. Crafted with care, our products are made to last. Enjoy durable materials and excellent craftsmanship in every piece. Find pieces that reflect your personal style. Our range allows you to express yourself with confidence and ease. Designed for a comfortable and flattering fit for all adults. You'll love how it feels and looks. What we like. This unisex option provides a versatile style suitable for everyone. It's crafted from durable material for long-lasting wear. If you're seeking a comfortable and adaptable piece that fits seamlessly into any casual outfit, this is a solid pick. What people say. The fabric is soft and comfortable to wear. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors that haven't faded after washing. The fit is true to size and the stitching is well done. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.